next? Yeah, let's put on a little eyeshadow. So this is another thing. Like, I wish I knew how to put on eyeshadow before so I could remedy my lack of lashes. But I guess things happen for a reason. So today I'm using the peach palette and just putting on some color so that I don't look like a raccoon. Yeah, I've been using orange for quite some time now. It's nice. I like it. So now I'm just putting it all over my lid and avoiding that part. Can you see? Yeah, avoiding that part. Because I am putting in some glitter over there. Yeah, I also got into some
big necklaces that time. And then, I guess it was just another bracelet. And the layering bracelet.
I guess it was just another reason for me to go shopping.
and hoard and collect stuff. Yeah, that's it. That's basically it. And then one of my favorite highlighter slash glitter shadows I'll be using here.
First Chemo. Yeah. Oh my god, I don't think I'll be able to finish this whole thing because a little goes a long way, yes.
And then before, I just used to put my setting spray after. But with this kind of application, I put it on after the eyeshadow. So, I'm spraying on the MAC Fix Plus.
What else did I do?
For some reason, I was into bright colors. I don't know if it's because it was summertime or, you know, I just became like bolder and louder in my choices. Okay, so to recap, what do we now know? Just accessorize your life. Accessorize yourself. It's really, really easy. It's a time to be creative, to have fun, yeah, a little bit, and to experiment. Because you have no choice if it's not in your personality to like experiment. Like, if this didn't happen, if this never happened to you, would you have chopped your long hair that short? Would you have shaved your head? I don't think so. If not for your hair falling off on its own, would you have shaved your eyebrows? I don't think so too. So it's really a time to test different styles. You're forced to. Might as well have fun with it. And for lashes, I'll be using my blue mascara because I'm wearing blue. Yeah, I'm not using the curl lash. I just want it to be natural. And then, oh yeah, I wish I knew how to contour that time so that I could have contoured the hell out of my moon face.
I wish. If only. But, you know, it's fine. Like, sometimes we get to appreciate things more, you know? Like, okay, it didn't happen before. It happened now. It arrived now. Like,
we get to appreciate things because they came in our lives at the right moment, at the right time. So how about you? What are you doing? Or what did you do during chemo to remedy these, to overcome these superficial side effects? Oh yeah, and lipstick too. Okay, you have to know, like, I didn't really used to put on any makeup. So when I went into chemo and starting putting on some brows, I guess that was the start of my makeup journey. And also, my mother-in-law started giving me red lipsticks. And she said, like, okay, now that you're bald, okay, aside from the big earrings and all those things, I think you need a bold lip. So she gave me some red lipsticks that I would use. So for makeup, that's what I did. Like the eyebrows and the lipstick, the red lips. So come on, share with me what you did to like remedy all those superficial chemo side effects. Oh, and yeah, before we cap this off, also the sunnies. Yeah, that was a summer. It was a summer when the sunnies came out, And I also went into collecting and using different kinds of glasses to accessorize and complete my look. I've had some before, but this was a time that I went into more outrageous and bolder sunnies or shades. I really have a lot, and yeah, some are in the car, so I can't show you. But there was a time that I had this favorite pair, and I'd match it with my other hat, and we would joke that I looked like the guy from Breaking Bad. Oh my god, I forgot his name. Well, anyway, that's all for today. And if you haven't yet, do subscribe, hit the like button and the notifications bell button to know every time I upload a new video. Okay, see you again soon. Bye!